Today, let's take a look at the ZIT image base model. We'll compare it with the turbo model. Using the same prompt, we'll do a simple A-B comparison. Here is our previous image, created in Z Image Turbo. It uses a detailed latent upscaler. On the right is the Z image base version. It looks like a properly white balanced shot. Both results look great. However, the turbo version shows more detail due to latent upscaling. The turbo image looks soft and realistic. However, the metal bending and destruction fail. In the base image, this works much better. The car hood shows realistic metal deformation and damage. Z Image Turbo leans more toward realism. The prompt was, "Woman smiling in a flower garden, ethereal fantasy illustration style." Even with that prompt, Turbo generates a beautiful realistic image. Z Image Base behaves differently. It produces a more illustrative, painterly result. Both outputs look great. However, the base model follows the prompt more closely. Here is a 3D Pixar-style animated bunny. The turbo image looks softer, with smoother latent detailing. The base image appears more vivid and defined. Each model emphasizes different qualities. Perhaps both serve a purpose. That was a quick comparison of the Z image models. There are many detailed review videos available. This was just a brief comparison. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.